Hi there, my name is Jessica Drawson, and today I just wanted to quickly run you through some sort of fun things that we're going to be offering as a gift with purchase, or you can buy this if you have everything in the store and you just want to buy this. And I'll also be making this for sale separately after the holidays. But this is right now it's called the JD 2019 Holiday Gift Set, but it includes the Blue Light Desaturation Tone, the JD Subtle Depth Instant Overlay Sampler, which is sort of an idea based on some of the other instant overlays and lightscaping overlays. There's a blown sky replacement action which will help you integrate clouds. And then I have a sky overlay for you to play with, as well as a very soft ray overlay to play with as well. So let's just begin. Let's start with the sky. So first I'm going to have you we're going to go to this is the cloud gift that you're going to be receiving. So let's go ahead and select all and copy. Or if you don't want to copy and paste, you can simply grab it and drag and drop it right in to the image. Now, what I would suggest, this is a pretty big image, and as you see over here, this is rather smaller, so I want to get more details in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my sky a little smaller so I can get more details in, but I want to make sure that it goes the whole distance here. So as you can see, I'm covering up all the areas where the sky would normally peek through, and I'm sort of adjusting it in position where I want it, and now I am selecting that. And what I'm going to do, and this is very important, I'm going to now turn my cloud off. So I've turned that layer with the cloud off. So I'm going to start now with the blown sky replacement with a lighter horizon action. So first I'm just going to hit play, and this is going to remind me that there's a million different ways to add in skies. This one works best with blown out skies. So it reminds me to make sure that I've placed my cloud and to make sure that it's not visible. Once I've done that, I hit continue. And now this is going to just remind me I need to go to my cloud layer here. So here I'm at my cloud layer, and it's selected. We see how the layer itself is a different color. I'm going to turn it on. Once it's selected and I've turned it on, I'm going to go back here to my actions palette, because remember there was just a stop, and I'm going to hit continue by pushing this play button. And that's going to automatically insert my cloud. Now, if I want to move these clouds around or do anything with them, number one, if you've ever purchased any of my sky overlays before, you know that there are sky overlay actions that will change these colors or soften up the skies or flip the skies, whatever. So you can, number one, you can use those, or you could, let's say you just want to reposition it. Let's unlink this. So I'm clicking on this little link thing, and we're unclicking it. I'm making sure that I have my sky selected, and now I can move my sky around as I want. But like I said, I already kind of was happy with how I'd placed it, so we're just going to leave that alone, but I wanted to show you how I would do it. All right, so we've added in the sky, and let's go ahead and let's try this JD Subtle Depth Instant Overlay Sampler. And again, this is subtle, but I love what it does. Now the last step, we could leave it just like this. Actually, second to last step, I'm going to add in this soft rays. Again, I could select all and copy, or I could simply go here and drag it and drop it. And with this sort of an overlay where you see it on a gray background, we want to use it either in soft light, let's line it up here, in soft light, or in overlay, or in hard light with a reduced opacity. I think my favorite was overlay. And as you can see, you can move this around. You can move these little soft rays. We're just going to kind of light up these heather fields here. And let's see, the very last thing, and this is only if you want to, maybe you like the tones as they are, but if you want to add in a little bit of a blue light desaturated effect, let's go ahead and hit the play button. And it's going to turn everything a little more purpley. Let's just reduce this opacity here to, say, about 49%. And here we go. So all of these fun products are included with the Black Friday through Cyber Monday sale. Any gift that you, whether it's a gift with purchase, with any purchase that you make. So please enjoy. Thank you for being a customer. Thanks for watching this video.